In this video, I am sharing 5 apps that can pay you more money than any Akara, corn or kulikuli business can pay you in 2026. It's no news that the First Lady of Nigeria actually asked the youth to go start Akara business, corn business, or kulikuli business. She said it is profitable and also doesn't need a lot of capital to start. And while there is nothing wrong with starting these businesses or running these businesses, I have a problem with the fact that that is the only thing she has to say to young people that are trying to figure it out in this present economy. No hate to anybody selling Akara or corn or kulikuli, because of course the hustle is the hustle. But if you have a phone, a laptop, and internet access, you will have options that they are not telling you, and that is what my channel is dedicated to doing. If this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, hi, my name is Jenn. I'm a virtual assistant with over 9 years of experience, and I create educational content on how to become a virtual assistant, how to use AI to grow yourself or grow your business, and also how to become the best version of yourself working remotely. Now, let's look at these 5 apps that can pay you more money with just your phone, your internet access, and also your laptop. These platforms are platforms that real people like me and you make a lot of money from every day. Let's get right into it. The first platform is Upwork. OG popular Upwork. This is exactly where I started my virtual assistant career from. Upwork is a platform that connects you with people who need help with their businesses. So whether writing, design, customer support, virtual assistants, you name it, you can find all of those jobs on Upwork. So all you need to do is create a profile, apply for jobs, and get paid in dollars every single week. And guess what? I have made thousands of dollars this year alone on Upwork. So you are sleeping on it if you think that clients are no longer hiring Africans or Nigerians on Upwork. The most amazing thing is you don't even need a degree or a work experience. All you need are skills and your willingness to learn. So start here. Go on Google and type Upwork, or better still, go on your App Store or Google Play Store, download Upwork, sign up, create your profile, select 10 jobs, and start applying today. If you need a tutorial on how to create your Upwork profile, then you want to click on this video to watch, or better still, check out my channel. You see a lot of videos I've created around creating a profitable Upwork profile. The next platform is Fiverr. Fiverr is arguably the twin brother or the twin sister of Upwork, but it works differently. Instead of applying for jobs on Fiverr, just like you would do on Upwork, you list what you can do and clients come to you. It's like Fiverr giving you a shop space, and you set up that store or shop space and list out all the things that you have to offer, and clients will reach out to you by themselves. For example, you can set up your profile to say, I will edit 2 videos for you for $20. I will manage your emails for 2 hours at $50. However you want to position will determine what will make clients look forward to reaching out to you by themselves. With Fiverr, you set your price, you deliver your work when clients reach out to you, and you get paid. Some people on Fiverr are actually making $5,000 to $10,000 per month selling simple services like Canva designs, video editing, voiceovers, data entry, you name it. What you're selling is actually your service. What is serving as your products, like you would sell in your shop, is your simple service. So that means that if you are young and ambitious, if you can do something, anything in fact, you can sell on Fiverr. The third app or the third platform is called Swagbucks. This particular one has been around for many years, and they've paid out $300 million to their users worldwide, including Nigerians. So this is quite different from Fiverr and Upwork. What happens on Swagbucks is they pay you to take surveys, watch videos, play games, search the web, try new apps. Every task you do on Swagbucks give you points that are called SB. You collect your points at the end of the day, redeem them through PayPal or for gift card. If you're wondering how much you can make with Swagbucks, you can actually make between 20,000 to 50,000 naira every single week. That is overall maybe 100,000 or 200,000 every single month just by doing tasks. So if you've been stressed about learning skills or having skills so that you can use Upwork and Fiverr, then Swagbucks is for you. But the key for this particular platform is consistency. You need to make sure you use it every single day, because that is what adds up eventually. And one beautiful thing I like about Swagbucks is the fact that the moment you sign up on Swagbucks and you complete your profile, you get bonus points. That means that you start earning immediately. The next app is called GoJelly. And this one is made specifically for Nigerians. So you have no problems with dollar conversion or international payments issues. What GoJelly pays you to do are simple things like answering questions, verifying information, categorizing images, and also performing simple data tasks. And just as you can tell, you don't need any special skill to work on GoJelly. All you just need to know is how to read and follow instructions, and you're good to go making your cash. And the good thing is that they pay directly to your bank account. So your First Bank, your Access Bank, your GT Bank, or whatever bank you're using, you can get paid directly by GoJelly as long as you complete your task. And if you're wondering how much you can make, putting in between 2 to 3 hours daily, or better still, if you have nothing to do, 5 hours daily, you can make as much as 70,000 to 100,000 every single week, or even more. I know that this is not a lot of money to some people, but it's the fact that it is consistent and you can make it from the comfort of your bed. And lastly, we have Remotasks. And this platform is actually where the money gets really serious, because a Remotasks pay you to train AI. I know it may sound complicated, but I promise you it is not. So the things you do are things like labeling images, drawing boxes around objects in photos, categorizing data, and sometimes even transcribing audios. So these are tasks that are helping companies build their artificial intelligence, and they pay really well for it. So you can make as much as 100,000, 200,000, or even 300,000 every single month working on Remotasks. And a beautiful thing about Remotasks is the fact that they have free training courses right there in the app to help you learn how to do this task. So all you need to do is, once you sign up, you learn, you pass your tests, and you start earning. Another amazing thing is that it is for everybody across the world, because they pay through Payoneer or PayPal. So this is one of the platforms I would definitely recommend if you want to take making money online seriously. Now, let me be honest with you. These are not get rich quick schemes, and I am not promising you that you make #1 million in the next 1 week or 2 weeks. Please, I did not say that. But one thing I will assure you is that they are legitimate, they are accessible to everyone in Nigeria, they are free to join, and they are paying money to real people every single day. So this means that if you combine all of these apps that I've talked about, you can be making over #1 million every single month from Nigeria, all from working from home, whether you have a degree or not, whether you went to university or not, whether you even went to secondary school or not. So think about it. Do you want to go and start your Akara business, your kulikuli business, or your corn business? Or would you rather get your phone right now that you are using to watch this video, after subscribing to this YouTube channel, of course, and go right up to signing up on those platforms that I've just mentioned and start making your money? The choice is yours. If you want to learn how to use these platforms, I'm teaching free masterclasses every Saturday live on this channel from 3 p.m. WAT. You don't need to pay for anything or sign up for anything. Just click the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and when I come live, you join for free and you learn all of the knowledge that you can apply immediately. And if this video enlightened you, then send it to someone in your close circle that needs to see it too. And I will see you in my next video. And if you're looking for an amazing community to join, an amazing community that is very engaging and active, then you want to join me every Monday, every Wednesday, and also every Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. where we work virtually, remotely together. So think of it like a co-working space, but virtually. So I'm working, you're doing your work, and we're also chit-chatting together at the same time. I'm excited to invite you into this growing community of work from home enthusiasts. And if your goal is to start your freelance journey, start your virtual assistant journey, or grow in your current work from home career, then you want to click the subscribe button, because we share amazing, valuable information that you can put into work immediately.